Paris says welcome back to my channel. My channel is about personal finance, personal growth, all things luxury and luxury travel. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. This is my first interior design related video. It was kind of hard to film it because my closet is not a huge space, but I did the best I could. And so I'm just going to do a talk over the next footage, and it's just me organizing the bags that I have so far. My collection is small, but my intent is big. So I hope you guys find this useful, cleaning up, and I hope you find it enjoyable, like the rest of us bag lovers. So I will probably do an update to this video when I come back from Paris, at whatever point we're allowed to go to Paris. I know we're allowed to technically, but I don't think I can afford to be stuck in Paris, not at this stage in my life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend of self-quarantining from this virus. So, all right, thanks guys. Bye. All right, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna put this into the bag. I like to store my bags with the bag organizer in there. I tend to separate the handles from the bag, and I keep these standing up. I put my perfumes here. I'm gonna go get some cubes that I used to keep, like small leather goods, like the Saint Laurent clutch that I have. Just, you see that on my previous videos. I have a acrylic box of receipts I'm gonna put here. Okay. Put the Eiffel Tower up here. I went and got these. So I'm pretty happy with this level. And so I'm gonna move on to this next level. I'm gonna keep my clutches in the dust bag with the handle out. Put them in here. So I have a Saint Laurent clutch. I have a travel wallet from Aspinall of London. I have a Coach clutch. Oops. Dust bag. I got this bag a while ago, before I even started this channel. I have my Gucci bag. I can't separate the tags off this one. That kind of does it for my small designer collection here. The next thing I'm gonna do is this third shelf here. I have my Coach Cassie bag. Yeah, I have some space for some pieces this year. I plan on getting a lot of stuff, so whenever I do get that stuff, I'm gonna have to reorganize all of this. I'll probably do an updated video as soon as I get all my pieces from Paris. So thank you guys so much for watching.